Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to start chapter number 5, and the topic of the chapter number 5 is the integers. And what is the integers? Integers are an infinite series of numbers, both positive and negative. Infinite series means a numbers which having the no ending point then and these numbers are continuously moving forward. Positive numbers, the numbers which have a positive signs with the numbers, and the negative numbers, the numbers which have the negative signs. When we have to combinedly write positive or negative numbers, we have to make a set of integers, and the set of the integers abbreviated with the capital letter Z. We have to plot the integers on a number lines here, and the number lines include both the positive and the negative numbers with the 0. In the integers having no smallest and the biggest values here, because these are the infinite series here. On the number lines we have to write it here, the 0 is in the center, and on the right side of the 0 we have to write the numbers with the positive sign, and with the on the left sides of the 0 we have to write the numbers with the negative sign. It means on the right sides of the 0 the values are increase, and the left sides of the values are decrease. When we have to move towards the 0 from the left side, it means we have to decrease the number, but with the negative sign we have to increase the values of the number. It means -2 is greater than the -3, because firstly come here the -2 and after that -3 come. Same case here. Now we check we have the other examples here. +4 is greater than the +3. It means having a positive signs with the both values here, it means we have to increase the numbers, the values of the numbers also increase. But when we have to move the left sides of the number lines, when we increase the number with the negative sign, the values of the number is decrease here. With this sign, the opening sign sides show that the values which we have to write it here, these are the greater values, and the closed side shows that the numbers are smaller. Now we have to solve the exercise. In exercise number 5a, in question number 1, arrange the following integers in increasing orders. 3, -5, -2, 1. a values having no sign is written, it means it's an understood that having a positive sign should be written with the values here. We have to write it in the increasing order. Increasing order means we have to start from the smallest to the greatest values. The greatest number is 5, but having a negative sign is written here. It means this is the smaller values here. -5 is the smaller than the -2, and -2 is smaller than the 1, and the 1 is smaller than the 3. This is the increasing order, means -2 is greater than -5, 1 is greater than -2, and 3 is greater than 1. Same case with the remaining parts of the question number 1. And the question number 2 is write the next 3 integers in each of the following sequence. Means -9, -6, -3. These 3 integers are given, but we have to write it here, the next 3 integers. We have to read the statement here. Firstly, the number is -9, and then -6, and then -3. Number is decrease, but with the sign value is increase. Now we have to move towards the 0 or positive directions of the number lines. In these questions, the values are given in question number 2, -9, -6, and -3. Okay, we have to show the number lines here. You check it. First one number is the 9, and after that they have to move towards the 6. This is the second number, and then they have to move towards the 3. How many numbers we have to left it here? 1 or 2 steps. It means we have to leave these 2 steps. We have to move towards the 0, and then we have to leave these 2 steps. Then we move towards the 3, and we have to move towards the 6. It means starting from the -9, -6, -3, then we have to move towards the 0, and then next number is the 3, and the next number is the 6. Same like that, we have to write it here: -9, -6, -3, 0, +3, and +6. These are the 0, +3, +6 are the next 3 integers. And part 2, 7, 4, and 1 integers are given here, and the next 3 integers are -2, -5, and -8. We have to check the gap in between the values here, 7 and 4. It means we have to move towards the 0 and onward to the negative directions. Same case with the third part, 2, 7, 12. It means the next 3 integers are 17, 22, and 27. And with this series we have to complete the questions here. And the question number 3 is give 2 possible integers for the placeholder in each of the following cases. Means 0 is written on the opening side, means when we have to write the opening side's values, it means this is the greater values here. We have to write the smaller than the 0. And when we have to read the number lines here, the smaller values are the -1 and the -2. Same cases with the remaining part of these questions here. And the question number 4 is which is greater, -111 or 1111? If the negative sign is not written with the values, then thousands values is greater than the 100. But when we have to put the negative signs with the values, so that's why the values with the 100 and having a negative sign written as this is the greater values than the thousands with the negative values here.